Hello guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy your YouTube channel link, okay, in two ways. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. The first method we are going to use is the app method, okay? So tap on the YouTube app. So once you tap on the YouTube app, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on your profile picture here. Then next, you tap on your channel. Next, you go to this three dotted line, you tap on it. Then you tap on share. So next, you go to copy link, you tap on it to copy your channel link, okay? So this is how you can copy your channel link using YouTube app, okay? The second method we are going to use is the browser method. So go to Google Chrome browser, you tap on it, then you type www.youtube.com. okay, I have it here already. You tap on it. So once it opens, you go to these three dotted lines here, you tap on it, then you go down, you're going to see desktop site, you tap on it. Okay, so once it opens, you're going to see your YouTube desktop site on your mobile phone. Okay, let's zoom. So next, you go to your profile picture, you tap on it. Next, you go to your channel, you tap on your channel. Then it will take you to this page, okay? Then you go to customize channel, you tap on customize channel. So once you click on or tap on customize channel, you're going to see this page. Then you tap on view channel. So next, you tap on these three dotted lines here. You tap on share. Then copy link. Link copied, okay? So we've copied the link of our YouTube channel using the browser method. So here are basically the two ways you can copy your YouTube channel link. You can use the browser method. You can also use the app method. So let's go to WhatsApp and paste this link to test it out and to see where it will take us to. So tap on WhatsApp. Then let me send this link to someone. You tap on hold to paste the link. You tap on paste. So here is the link. Send the link, okay? So once the person clicks on this link, it will take the person directly to our channel page. Let's test it out by tapping on this link. So it has taken us to the page. So this is how you can copy your YouTube channel page link using the browser method and the app method. Hope you got value from this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.